Dyson AirWrap. I'm going to show you what's in it, how it works, the best tips to use it, and how to make it do the most for you with your investment. It is such a versatile piece. I can't wait to get started. My hair today is just average, wake up and here it is. I'm gonna style it from dry to styled, and then we're also gonna go from wet to dry and walk you through the whole process. First, to go over what's inside. You will love using this tool. This neat box, it also serves as a great storage set. I keep this entire thing in a pillowcase just to keep it so pretty because I love the way it makes me feel each and every morning when I open it. It comes with a velvet enclosed case. It also serves as a mat to put your tools on as you're using them. Inside is a QR code and some details and a nice foam insert to keep your pieces protected. This is the motor. Each piece is wrapped in velvet on the inside. This is the motor wand that is the engine for the AirWrap. In the box comes all these great tools. I'm gonna go over each one by one. The motor wand. It has these two distinct brushes. These brushes are great. This is for firm, this is for softer. This one has these little orange beads. It also moves back and forth when it's in use, which gives it some rotation, causes less breakage on your hair. This one also, the firm one has movement in it. It also comes with a round brush. We'll go over these features. The round brush is really great. You have a 30 millimeter and a 40 millimeter air wand. These are terrific for a little bit tighter curls that will hold and last a little bit longer. And these are for beachy waves. And then you have the amazing hair dryer Coanda Extended Effect. This has several different functions. We will show you several different ways you can use this unique looking tool. Inside the case, it's compartmentalized. You can put it all back very nice and neat. All these distinct pieces come with the AirWrap. First, we're going to go over from dry to styled with the AirWrap. So for this, we're going to use the wands and the Coanda Effect. These three pieces. One thing I've learned about the AirWrap is it has such degree of customization that you need to think about and get used to how it works with your specific hair. With my hair, I have found that it dries and holds the style better if I kind of rough dry it. You can rough dry it with just the wand like this to add a little volume to the hair at the base of the head. I think it's important when using the AirWrap to not over condition your hair. Go a little lighter on the conditioner that you use because you want to put a few other products in, which I think works very well. This is my favorite styling cream to use with the AirWrap, the Moroccan styling cream. I think it congeals the curls like a texturizing treatment. This Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray texturizing treatment works really, really well. Piece on. Now, it has a lot of unique features. This is the on-off button. It locks it in place. There's two different ways to use this tool. Use it as a dryer with a concentrated flow of air coming out this space. You can see it's really strong. And it also gives it a little volume and control. You can twist it around by turning this nozzle where the airflow is behind this copper bar and not in the front here. This is in the front here. This is what we will use when we want to smooth it, called the Coanda Effect. Fabulous. We'll go over that in more detail, but those are the two ways that you can use this. It has 3 heat settings and 3 airflow settings. You can hear the volume difference and the heat. These are so great. I have found that a combination of these two are really fun. This is the correct way. You can do it, you grab some of the hair so you can do it with one hand. You can control the amount that you want. I like to give it a little tension. Now that's going to smooth it a little bit. If you want the curls to be strong and firm, leave it there in one spot, about 10 to 15 seconds. It's very easy. And then you can do this cool shot here. The cool shot seals it. I like to give it the cool shot and let it return to heat for a minute and then turn it off completely and pull it through. Also, give it just a minute to return to its original heat. I've used the maximum heat, so it doesn't take but a second. Accelerated and advanced when you're going from wet to dry. You can do the same process, but today I don't need to wash my hair to begin with. I just want to style it and have a great salon look. To have these flyaways settle down. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Watch on this side. I like it so much. Absolutely love it. And I feel like it is salon worthy.